this one's missing the windshield, so it doesn't really look as well as it did. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little cool car. It's got a cool spoiler and stuff. If you can't see it, I'll take off the top. That's kind of what the top looks like. And that just goes right on there. Then I made this one of a few sets. You can see a little turret that moves. And got an awesome ship. I call this one the Falcon. It's got a cool dude. He's missing his helmet and his jetpack. That lands right here, right there. And then there's another ship. That's this one. I tried to base it off one of the Roblox games called Base Wars. It's a pretty good game, so you should check that out if you've never been to Roblox.com. Really good game. It's a free game too. That goes right there. And I can put, hold on, my cord isn't reaching. Okay, I've got a little better length. And we got a little house for him. And then on the back, got a cool submarine launch. Submarine just kind of clicks off like that. It's got, I'm still adding one of those little white pieces right here. Still gotta find another one of those. So yeah, they're gonna go right there. And then, as you can see, it's got a cool front. Tire on the back. Got a little cool bottom, but it floats too. And you can push it underwater and it'll sink. So it's pretty cool to me. And this one, I don't know, my 3-year-old sister built this one, so it's not very amazing, but still it's pretty cool. I kind of like it as a little, I don't know, maybe a gift from her, I guess, but yeah. It's got a little top and a cool back, I guess, but then we got this plane. I built this one off a kit, and it's missing the top, as you can see, really, but I'll find it in probably a while, so it's pretty cool. It's got little ones like that. It floats, and that comes off, so it's pretty cool. And it's got a little place where you can, hold on, store little stuff like that. Oh, hold on, my screen popped up. Okay, I'm back. So, it's got a little space there. Opens up on the other side too. As you can see right through it. Then, got this little thing I just made up. It's got a little gunship thing, I guess. I'm a little sick today, so I might be sniffling a little. But yeah, it's got that little thing that moves up and down. It's got these little cool snow things, I guess. I don't know, but then I made this out of a kit while I was in Chicago. It's got that shoots. Can you guys see that? Yeah, that comes right out of there. And you can open that up. It's got 2 people inside. It's got a little dude that comes out. He's got a little escape pod, I guess. His name is Brick Daddy, I guess. I don't know. That's what it said, but it's got a little spinning machine gun that falls off very easily, I guess. Yeah. Where'd that go? Then my favorite one. Let me move this stuff. I don't know, I built this one randomly. It's not my favorite. I just found this one. I call it the Dragonfly. It's got 2 rear things. Nice bottom, but not that way, but it's got a cool top that I got from a different ship that I made a while ago. And I call that one the Dragonfly, but my favorite one is this one I made out of a kit. It's the Halo. I don't know what Halo it is, but I have a bad cough today, so yeah, that goes on there. Opens up into a cockpit. That opens into a cockpit. Then I'll bring it closer. It's got a couple people in there. Yeah, that closes right up. And then under it, if you can see that, got a little thing that comes down. It doesn't really stay down, but sometimes you can get it. These move, but this one sometimes falls off. This moves. Other one. It's a pretty amazing ship. I got it at the Salvation Army for like 30 bucks when at like Walmart. Don't go to Walmart for this or any other place. You want to see if it's at the Salvation Army. Usually I got this for 30 bucks at like Meijer and stuff. I saw it for 100. Don't go there. Trust me. You don't want to get it there. But this one's my favorite. I really like this one. It's like my favorite one. Also this big like pirate ship / carrier thing. I made like all this myself, so no help at all. So it's my favorite little mini ship thing, and this is my favorite water thing. I don't really like vehicles that much because they can't really like fly and stuff. I like flying things and really things that go underwater, not land things. But please comment if you like any of my ships and want to see them and want to see more on another video. Because if you don't comment, I'm not making another video. Well, I might, but still comment, please. Okay? Okay. Take a look at this one. It's nice, isn't it?